Hello guys! Today you're gonna work on Toucan project. I love Toucan because the beak is so beautiful. They have really beautiful colors. So main body is mainly black, but I love the other colors. For example, do you see this one? If you look at the picture of toucans, they are really beautiful colors. Look at the space. Really, their beak is beautiful, and also their surrounding areas are nice too. So as you see, these guys are living in the rainforest. You can see the trees, right? Now, where the rainforests are? Here we go. South America. Not North America is here and South America is here, and they live this rainforest area. So are you guys ready? Let's go start. You will need pencil, and if you want to, you can use watercolor or marker. No, marker. Marker is not working for this project. So watercolor, once again, crayon, and what else? Color pencil works too. If you have oil pastel, you can use oil pastel, but mainly I think a lot of friends they have a crayon, watercolor, and color pencil. Now let's go work on this guy. So you have a paper, right? My light is really bright. Hopefully. Okay, hopefully you guys can see better. Here we go. So we're gonna start from this one is your paper, right? And your bird is tall, sitting tall. So I'm gonna use you're gonna place your paper vertical way, the portrait way. Now in the middle, I'm gonna start somewhere in the upper part on the middle. I'm gonna draw his eyeball. Do you see this one? Now you're gonna draw another ring, and maybe you can have a little white part. Here we go. Now from there, front of his eyes, you're gonna draw parentheses, two parentheses, just like this. Let me see. Here we go. Two C's, kind of long C's. Can you see it? Now, and then the bottom, I'm gonna draw another C, but this time this one is a little smaller. Do you see that? Here we go. Now, we're gonna draw long beak that goes all the way. This one meets in the corner. If you want to, you can have a little bit more down, curvy. Here we go. Now, after this one, you're gonna take care of his eyes and his white part. So here we go. I'm gonna take care of his body from here. It comes about middle of your paper. Now we're gonna take care of his head. Your body parts are kind of oval shape, so I'm gonna draw oval, kind of about here. Oopsie, you can see it. Here we go. Now I'm gonna add his wing. Do you see this one? I'm gonna start from his chin, kind of chin, I call chin. Here we go, neck. Here we go. I'm gonna add another curvy line. Now on this side, you're gonna see only half side of his wing, so I'm gonna add about here. Here we go. You don't see his wing. Here we go. Now on the bottom, I'm gonna add right on the bottom. I'm gonna add a line. Oh, branching. Here we go. I'm gonna add a branch, go through your paper. Here we go. Now we are missing his claws. Here we go. On the other side, you're gonna take care of that. Here we go. Now we are missing his tail, so we're gonna add his tail. Do you have this one? I think I can just curve this one a little bit. Here we go, guys. Do you have this? Now you can add, oopsie, you can add trees. If you want to, you can add a long I'm adding tree leaves. Here we go. It is okay to overlap with your bird. I'm gonna add another long leaf coming from upper part and here we go. Do you see my plants? And maybe can we add I think you can add more. You can add a different types of plants looks like this. My 3 plants are slightly different, okay? So if you want to, you can add lots of more. Now, when you are done, you're gonna trace with your Sharpie or black marker. When you are done tracing, I'm gonna just change. Here we go. So this one is my another example I traced. Now you're gonna use watercolor. Now I like to use a watercolor. It's your choice, your color choice. You can use your watercolor or color pencil or crayon. So let's go. I'm gonna start from his beak. You're gonna apply your yellow color around. My yellow is not super yellow, it's kind of greenish because my students, they used all my material. Okay, now, here we go. From there, you're gonna move to your orange color. While this one is wet, you're gonna add orange color. On the top, you're gonna add a little bit. When this one is wet, you can blend a little bit. And when this one is wet, it'll bleed through together. So we call this one wet on wet technique. This one, your yellow colors, your orange colors are not showing very well, not dark enough. So I'm gonna add a little bit of red. To darken your color. Now you're gonna rinse your paintbrush. You're gonna rinse your paintbrush really. You can use your paper towel or maybe tissue, doesn't matter. You can use any dry material so you can try your paintbrush. Now, while this one is wet, you need to blend this one. Here we go. Now, when you're done with this, you need to apply your black to your beak on here. Then you're gonna start applying black color. You're gonna leave this one with a white color, okay? Mainly your body, your bird body, toucan's body is a black, so you're gonna just leave black. I'll apply black all the way. If your black color is a little light, you can wait, apply first layer, and always you can add a second layer when your colors are dry. Sorry, my paper is not the best paper, so it's kind of working a little funky way. Now, when you are done, I forgot, before your dark black color, move on to your black. Take care of your orange color, grab your orange and go around really carefully. Now you're gonna go grab your glue. Here we go. You're gonna paint your tail with the black. Now you have all the choices, okay? You can paint your plants, and on the background, if you want to do sunset scene, you can use your 3 warm colors to make a nice sunset scene, or you can have a nice just a blue sky with a little bit of your purple color. For example, like mine. Do you see my purple color? If you add only blue color, it's gonna be like a super one simple blue color. But if you add a little bit of purple color, it adds a little taste, interesting look. Right now you cannot see it, but you see this one. And also if you want to, you can add a yellow or maybe red, just a little bit. So all these things has to happen when this one is wet. Oopsie. Add a lot of water. When this one is wet, you can grab a little purple color. Blend a little bit, okay? Around your bird, you can add, I think it's more interesting when you add a purple color on there and spread. And also your purple color will tone down your blue color. Your watercolor, Crayola watercolor blue is really bright, like a turquoise, super bright color. So if you add your purple color, add a tiny bit of your purple color, it'll be like it'll tone down your colors. So have fun, guys. Finish your background and post it on submit it. Looks like this. Have fun.